I got these fake flowers from an event a friend of mine hosted recently and decided to turn them into a Gothic flower crown. First, I took them outside and spray painted them black from every angle. Then, once they were all dry, I began attaching them to the headband by wrapping their wire stems around it a few times before clipping off the excess. Once all the flowers were attached, I could have called it done, but I felt it needed something a little extra. So I took some of this fine mesh material, folded it up, and cut it into wide strips. Then I took another headband with loops in it and began running the mesh strips through the holes. I did this by folding the strip in half and leading with the folded end. This created a loop in the mesh that I could feed the other ends into and tighten it. Once that was done, I stuck the two headbands together with the mesh one underneath the flower one. And to keep them together, I used zip ties but kept them a little bit loose in case I wanted to adjust the placement. Once I was satisfied with the placement, I tightened the zip ties all the way. Then, I cut off the excess and made sure the pokey bits pointed away from the inside so they don't poke into anyone's scalp. And real quick, I'd like to shout out my friend April who let me keep the fake flowers from her local event. She has a shop called Pants Haven which makes body-safe wax candles. If you know, you know, so if that's your thing, check out her Etsy shop. And here's the finished piece, chilling out on the skull wig stand that I did in a shorts video a while back. I think it turned out pretty great for an afternoon project. But that'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe as it helps the channel massively. You can also subscribe to my Patreon where you can see my videos before anyone else, as well as my art, work in progress pics of my projects, and the occasional behind the scenes video. And with that, I'll hopefully see you, my creepy comrades, in a future video. Bye!